In this demo of TypeRoof, I'm going to show how to handle missing fonts in loaded states and in general how custom font loading in the TypeRoof shell application is working. For that purpose, I already navigated to our documentation landing page at fontbureau.github.io/typeroof/docs. From there, I can access the states library and its subdirectory. The demos folder. I'm opening it in a new tab, and here I find the Decovar specimen JSON txt file, which I'm going to click. This is pure JSON, which I'm going to select with Ctrl A on my keyboard, copy it to my clipboard. Go back to the documentation page and open the TypeRoof shell application in a new tab. Switching to the new tab, I find the loaded TypeRoof shell app. Under application meta, I can open the save load share dialog and paste into the serialized data text field the JSON I just copied. Now when I press deserialize, I must notice that it failed because an error tells me that a font file called Decovar Alpha Regular 24 version 000 is missing. That was expected, and that's why I prepared a tab at github.com/googlefonts/Decovar, which is the repository of the Decovar font that I used. I'm navigating to the fonts directory, and I select the Decovar Alpha -vf.ttf file, and on the right side here I can download the raw file. This file just downloaded into my downloads folder, which I can show you here. So I have now one font file on my hard drive. I'm going back to the minimal shell, exit this window, select add local fonts. I can also drag the font, but in this case I'm going to use the file manager and open it, and that loaded the font. Now when I go back to the save load share dialog, I can again paste my state, press deserialize, and this time it worked. Now I can watch Decovar going through all its many axes and finally finish on a more normal view. Loading the font, put it in my local fonts directory in the file chooser. This means the font is now stored in the browser. We don't upload the font to the server. It's stored in local storage in the browser and can be used between reloads of the page. It will stay there. If I want to remove it again, I should not be using it, so I select another font, which completely destroys the demo, but it enables me to go to the Manage Fonts dialog, select Decovar, and remove it from the application. Now it's not available anymore under local fonts, and when I now go back to the Manage State window, paste my state, and deserialize, I get the same error as in the beginning.